Hello, welcome back to Fresh BCSC Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you a really short snippet and tutorial on another one of my favorite accessibility tools. And this one helps with representation by helping learners kind of manipulate a website to where they can focus and read things a little bit more easily. It also helps with engagement by removing any barriers or distractions that might prevent a student from being able to focus and sustain that motivation when they're reading online and reading digitally. So the resource I'm going to show you is called Mercury Reader. It is a Chrome extension, so you need to be using the Chrome web browser for it to work. And by an extension, that means that you do have to add it across your top toolbar. I have all of these different ones here. To add it, you'll go to the Chrome web store, things I go to quite often, and you'll type in Mercury Reader. It comes up there, and you would click Add It. If you can't add it right away, you might want to get in touch with your technology department because they might have some of those settings turned off depending on what your web browser and web filter settings are for students and for staff. After you have added it, it will show up here across the top as one of your tools. If it's not there, it might be in this menu over here if you have lots of them like I do. To use it, it works best if you're using this feature on a website. So what it does is it gets rid of any ads and distractions and clutter on the website so you can focus on what you should be reading. It also gives you the opportunity to change the text color in the background as well as the font size and font style. So it really just helps make that reading experience whatever you would like it to be, whatever you need to be successful. So to use it, you'll open your site and you'll click Mercury Reader, and it takes it a second to generate. But once it does, got a little ahead of myself there. All right, and once it has come up with its cleaner version of the website, you can send it to Kindle if you have that downloaded onto your device. But see, it got rid of all of those different ads and distractions I had going on. It actually makes the page a lot easier to focus. So some of the different settings that I have as opportunities here to change. You can also turn it off if I need to. I can turn it back on. At the top of my page, there's a settings cog. If I click that, I can change my font size, what the font size looks like, and it does give you the two statistically proven most readable fonts when you're reading on a screen. And I can change my theme here from light to a dark or dark to light. And those are just some of my settings that I have there. So that is an option for improving engagement and giving students a little bit more support when they read online.